Welcome to your Strategic Edge in Analytics. I'm Shaun Davis, your host. People love working with data, but frequently struggle with gathering it. Here's how a simple conversation at a networking event sparked an idea with significant business value for you and your team. At a recent networking event, I found myself alone in line, chatting casually with a stranger. When I explained my job, I help people turn data into action. He quickly shared his own passion for discovering insights in data, but expressed frustration at the tedious task of pulling data together. He loved the insights, but dreaded the prep work, like exporting data, writing queries, reshaping and reformatting information. Sound familiar? This frustration has a name: data friction. Data friction is the effort and frustration involved in gathering data from multiple sources into a usable form. It includes tasks such as extracting data, writing complex queries, troubleshooting data freshness with IT, or cleaning and formatting data. Industry statistics reveal that up to 80% of a project's time can be consumed by data friction. This hidden cost impacts productivity, efficiency, and the quality of insights your team can generate. Reducing data friction means more time for insights and less frustration. Here's how you can lead your team towards a low-friction, high-insight environment. Here are some steps to reduce data friction. Take responsibility for addressing data friction. Adopting a mindset of proactive ownership allows your team to focus on solutions instead of frustrations. Identify one product or process. Clearly outline each step required to convert raw data into actionable insights. Document each step, assigning clear roles and responsibilities. Extend this map beyond your immediate team to include all stakeholders involved. Remember, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Invest in thorough planning to accelerate your team's overall effectiveness. Implement your plan step by step. Celebrate small wins to maintain team momentum. Highlight improvements not just in process optimization, but also in the quality of daily work life and satisfaction. Expect and celebrate the resistance reduction and improved collaboration your team experiences as they remove friction points. Data friction quietly drains resources and hampers productivity. Addressing it head-on delivers immediate benefits, including greater team satisfaction and reduced frustration, increased efficiency and productivity, faster, deeper business insights. It all starts with a simple decision: accept ownership, map the problem, plan thoughtfully, and then take action. By doing so, you transform data friction into business advantage.